This is how you upload an assignment as a video. So if you are asked to do an assignment video, you must record it first here in Schoology. Don't do the video on your phone and try to upload it. It unfortunately usually is too big of a file to do that. So you'll go to our assignment. This is just a sample assignment I had someone make for me. And you click over here, Submit Assignment. Mine says Resubmit just because I already played with this once. You guys are familiar with seeing this. Typically, you would click on this to upload a file. But since we want to create a video as our response, we're going to click on this microphone. And you can see it says Audio Video Recording. When you click on it, you get two options. One is audio only. That means you'll only be able to record your voice. The other one is audio and video. This is the one we want because it's going to record both your voice and what it sees on the camera. So when we click on it, you can see my camera's working. I'm going to click Start Recording. The timer has started. This is when you would want to start recording your response. So whether you're taking your phone or your camera around your house, around your home, around outside, this is how you would record your video. When you're finished, you click on Stop Recording. You have to, oh my. Yep, that's not pretty, but what are you going to do? Give it some time to upload and then insert recording. You can see it here. Any comments you want to type would go here, Ms. Diaz's response to the video lab, which is what we'll be doing, and then submit. And you can see it shows up over here. That is how you will do a video submission for an assignment.